Good morning everybody. Myself Nandini, this is Kavita and this is Nalini. We are students of Vailtech Multitech Engineering College. Here we are going to do a project demonstration. Our project topic is implementation of temperature compensation technique for ultrasonic ranging for obstacle identification. Here we go for temperature compensation technique in order to get the accurate distance. The demonstration will be done by Nalini and Kavita.
This is a project kit, and here we are using an ultrasonic sensor, microcontroller, and then configuration switches, LED array, buzzer for an alarm signal, and then here we use Zigbee device for the serial data transmission between the microcontroller and the PC. And here once the microcontroller is been supplied with the power through an SMPS, here an trigger signal is being sent to the ultrasonic sensor, and echo signal, once the obstacle has been detected, echo has been obtained, and thus the distance is calculated here. And the temperature sensor DS18B20 is being used here in order to calculate the temperature, and it's been displayed here. And hence we use an GUI to display the temperature and the distance. The main conclusion is here is the distance character shown by the ultrasonic sensor has been not accurate. Hence we use a compensation technique in order to calculate the accurate distance. So it will be shown here.
So this is the program that we use for the MATLAB GUI, and here we have also included the formula, the corrected formula with the form factor, which includes the temperature. You can see it here. This helps us to obtain the correct distance. This is the formula that we are using.
Compensation is equal to 34,000 plus 60.7 into temperature, and the ripple delay by 2. And hence 60.7 is being used as an constant
because it is found that for every 10-degree rise in temperature, the speed of sound varies by 60.7 centimeter per second. So now we'll run this. So this is the MATLAB GUI that we developed, and now first we'll display the distance. It is displayed as 66 centimeter, and then this temperature, and then it is 30 degrees C, and now we'll calculate. And so now the corrected distance is 69.5349 centimeter. So we are able to get the correct distance with the help of this MATLAB GUI. Now how we obtain the obstacle identification will be explained.
Hence now we are going to see how obstacle is being identified. Hence we have configured two switch configurations, that is one is 5 centimeter and one is 10 centimeter. And hence once the obstacle is being detected within 5 centimeter, we'll get an buzzer alarm. This is about 5 centimeter, and then once the obstacle is being detected within 10 centimeter, we'll get an buzzer alarm. So thus it is being shown. The configuration can be changed according to the user requirements, and hence this is a ultrasonic sensor here acts as an good device, and it's more useful to calculate the distance accurately.